Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Chorba Frik. Enjoy the show. And tonight, our recipe comes from Algeria. Good morning, mise en place. This is the ancient grain fake. The spices and herbs that will be used tonight. This is just after prep. Here's the evening mise en place. The oil getting nice and hot in the Dutch oven. We add the lamb to the Dutch oven to brown. We remove the lamb. Then we add the onions to the Dutch oven to saute. We add the garlic and saute for another minute or so. We add the celery and the green onions and a tomato paste. Then we add the herbs and spices and stir. We let the herbs and spices bloom. Then we add the tomatoes and the chickpeas and stir. We reintroduce the lamb and we add the bay leaf. Then we add the water. And then after stirring, this will simmer for about 3 hours. Then we rinse the frik very thoroughly. We add it to the soup and simmer for 30 minutes. And here's the final Chorba Frik in the Dutch oven. And the final presentation of the Chorba Frik. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation from Algeria. Have fun cooking.